think, for a week. My cousin from Italy, they won with the boat, so I'm going to just hang on, wait till he goes. So maybe April.
Fucking hell.
Now, a way to go before we hit that top 10. It's still only 19. Only Kiss can throw you and all your friends a Taylor Swift encore. Win an entire row of tickets to see her Eras tour live in Singapore. Listen at 8 and all day today on Kiss 1011.
Oh my God. Want to know the real value of your home? Get your free and instant real estimate.
It's okay.
Fuck you doing?
Yeah. Oh, fuck me.
How are you going to get out of it?
We're going to have to run.
No.
Run.
No. Go out, babe. It's just because the road's blocked off. Just go out.
Are you sure?
Yep, go out and drive out. Straight past them all. You even got him to
Put
lower
your
it
window
further.
up.
You'll be right. He's just got to move that. And then
Get out of the fucking car!
go,
Get
go,
out!
go, go,
Get out!
go, baby, go! Just go. Just go. Just go. You're right, babe, you're alright!
I know, I'm just getting away from it for us. Now, how's that for driving, darling?
Get me away.
Good driving or not?
Good boy, get me away. Get us away.
I am.
Get us away. Get us away. Baby, careful. Careful. Honey, careful, because I'll get air patrol out.
I know, we're going to get out and run.
Not yet.
I've got a flat, we have to.
You got a flat?
I'll pop the tyre, darling.
Did ya?
Yep.
Keep going. Did you really?
Yes. I wouldn't say it otherwise.
Right, you gotta get us out of here though, to get us, like, out of here. Away from them before we can ditch the car, babe.
I know.
Are they still coming?
I don't know.
I don't think so. I don't think
That was mad driving, darling.
Yeah, calm down, you're alright. Just keep driving.
That was
Get us
wicked
out of
driving,
here.
baby.
Just get us out of this area.
Get out of the fucking car. We're nearly fucked then, darling.
I shit myself. That's why I said just drive. We got out, we were pinched. Baby, I wasn't letting it happen.
Yeah.
Alright? It's because we went and stole from there. How the fuck do they know we're going to be there?
I don't know.
They're tracking the car.
Yeah.
Should I take that message?
No, you should just fucking get out of the car and go. We should just go.
I know, but we can't just ditch it here. They know what we look like. We got to get out back to Paranway.
No, we don't.
And ditch it.
No, we don't.
Can't ditch it here, darling. I'm telling you, we're going to get pinched if we ditch it right here, right now.
Darling, we're not going to be able to drive it around. They're tracking it.
Okay, well, we need to get it somewhere where we can get out and get on a tram or something straight away. Ditch it for a tram stop. You know what I mean? Dave?
Yeah. Just fucking let me do it, babe.
Yeah, ditch it. Yeah,
I'm doing the best I can, darling.
Yeah.
Straight ahead, yeah?
Yeah, I know where we can go. I know where we can go and ditch it.
Just anywhere.
Yeah, it's a friend's house. Yeah?
Just fucking don't, darling. I'm trying to keep an eye on the traffic behind us. Fuck, mate. Lucky I got out of there like I did. Not one scratch on the car. I'd be thinking this cunt can drive.
We need to get to the train station.
I know, darling.
I'm just thinking where one is that's close to here that takes us to where we got to go. Yeah, but don't go too fast so they can see you going. Did they come our way?
Here they come.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
We're in a chase?
Yeah. Get out, go!
Did they come our way?
Here they come.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
We're gonna chase?
Yeah. Get out, mate. Get out. Get out. Get out. Go.